Hey friends, this is the Zttriee coffee table. You can find it right here on Amazon. And in today's video, we're gonna build it up. We're gonna give it a thorough review and let you know if it's worth your time and money. Let's jump into it. So this is how the table will arrive. You can see old Aspen Dog checking things out. Now, again, you do have to do some assembly. It's not that difficult though. We're gonna walk through the process and let you know if I run into any sticky zones. So you can see we're taking out a few of the pieces now out of that box. This is lightweight. It feels to be kind of the particle board stuff, but it really is nicely finished. So it looks like it's a solid piece. And again, it's fairly lightweight. Now, besides those two main board pieces, we have a few other smaller ones. And you can see the rattan look here on the doors. Again, this doesn't feel super high quality, but it is very lightweight and the look is really nice. We also got some instructions, we got the legs, we got a bit of the hardware here. Here's a quick look at what the instructions look like. This is a throwback to our old Lego days. Fairly simple, and then each of these pieces are labeled to make things easy. One of the things they also mention is definitely to use a hand screwdriver when you're pushing in some of these hardware bits, because if you use a drill, the wood is just not designed for heavy torque objects. So you really do need to be careful not to crack it. Okay, we've got it together and I'll show you a nice, good reveal here in a sec. One of the things to make sure of as you're putting this together, see this track right here? There is another one that's up here on this side of the table. Make sure those two line up. It's kind of easy to get those switched. Also, when putting on this little drawer here, there's a couple of little tabs that are on the back of this that allow you to get it into that upper track. You can see how they're designed here. It's basically best to put it in like this first, using the bottom tracks, slap it in place, and then you can put it in the middle here and get around and push up on this tab to make sure this slots into the upper edge of the table. But other than goofing on that just slightly, I was able to get it together in, roughly 20 to 30 minutes while I was watching a show. So not difficult. One of the other things I want to show you, I got cocky and was using a drill. And as you can see, my screw went in a little crooked and definitely split the wood down here. Now, again, this doesn't really matter, but this is why they tell you don't use power drills. Anyway, just another notice that this wood is definitely not super sturdy. And here's everything all set up. You can see that it feels a really nice space here in our main living area. And again, it offers some really good surface area for cups and coffee, obviously a little bit of a book and some decorations for us. And then it has this internal storage area where you can store a whole lot more items. Now this area is kind of blocked off. You can see with the slider that will allow you to put, your movies, maybe a game console, something in there, and then have it close so that you can actually make things look a little cleaner. Now this side is just open. You can see it goes all the way over to the couch. So again, you could keep game consoles, other media devices, or different things storage down here that you need regular access to. It's definitely a good looking piece. Again, don't expect anything to be super high quality. This is gonna be a budget friendly item for somebody maybe who is going off to school, maybe an Airbnb, something that you are not really worried about getting beat up, because after some use, this is going to wear down. But again, an attractive little piece. So there you go, friends. That is a quick overview of the Zttriee coffee table. You can, again, find it right here on Amazon. We'll put some links in the description box below if you'd like to pick it up for yourself. And if this video has helped, definitely hit that thumbs up button for us and subscribe, because we got a ton of these little Amazon product review videos to make your shopping experience just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.